The last Friday of winter 2022. Got an inch of rain the night before. Dang, was it windy, though. Headed off to Crete, Nebraska to do some rail fanning on the Hastings sub for the BNSF. Good place to rail fan here. You're in the employee parking lot for Dairy Queen. You can see that it's a gravel lot off the main lot, and they don't mind you being there. Hey, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, will you? A cool Heritage One, but there's something really special about this locomotive. Owen the train man pointed it out to me. This is the Last GE B40-8 on the BNSF Roster. They built him in 1988 and 89. That's what I say. And the Atchison, Topeka and Santa Fe ordered 40 of them. This is the last one on the roster. I mean, how cool is that? Now, something else is really cool about all this, what I caught here, and I didn't realize it until after the fact, just listening to the radio chatter. This is a local, and I think what happened is he dropped off his load at the small rail yard there in Crete, and I should have probably been one crossing up from here, but he dropped off his load, and then he picked up some cars, and then he's shoving back here, and what he's going to do is pick up that load that he dropped off and then be on his way. And here he is, being on his way. I think he picked up some grainers at the big grain elevator, maybe. And the next time I go to Crete, I'm going to go to that crossing one up. I was a little concerned about trespassing and stuff in the yard, and that's why I wasn't there. But I need to check that out next time. Anyhow, he is heading up the Hastings sub. At some point, he's going to turn north and either go into the Hobson Guard in Lincoln or bypass it, one of the two. Got a feeling since it's a local, he's going to go into the yard, but that's just a guess. So I waited around for about an hour after that train, and getting to be supper, thinking about heading home. So I went out and looked at the signals, and it was green over red. So 15 minutes later, here comes this local. It's a mixed freight, and it's got some IM. Hey, you can really help me out by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing, and thanks for watching the video.